Hey guys, Mr. Andrew here. Today I bring you a short tutorial about comparatives and superlatives. Okay, so let's start off first with what are they? So both comparatives and superlatives are a type of adjective. That means that they're always going to be accompanying a noun. Okay, comparatives are to compare two things, two people, etc. For example, uh, I am older than my brother Christopher. Yeah, I am older than my brother Christopher. There's two people, me and Christopher, and I am older than him. The superlative is to say out of a group which is the most. So I have a brother Christopher and I also have a brother Mark. We are three. Yeah, I am the oldest of my brothers. I am older than Christopher. I am older than Mark. I am the oldest of the group. Okay, so let's check out some of the rules for spelling and making comparative adjectives. So when we write a sentence with a comparative adjective, we always put than with it. There are some exceptions, but we put the comparative adjective and than. So, is your sister older than you? Buckingham Palace is bigger than the White House. There are two places, Buckingham Palace and the White House. Buckingham Palace is bigger than the White House. Female mosquitoes are more dangerous than males. My new job is better than my old one. This one is an exception here at the end. The traffic is always worse in the evening. Okay, let's have a look how we build these. There are 5 ways of building comparative adjectives. The first type. One syllable adjectives, we just add er at the end. So old becomes older. Cheap becomes cheaper. Yeah, these ones are nice and easy. What happens though if I have one syllable adjectives, but they follow the rule of consonant, vowel, consonant, and the vowel sound is a short vowel sound. It's not like cheap, okay? It's big, hot, okay? We add er at the end, but we have to double the consonant in the middle. So big, bigger, hot, hotter, fit, fitter, yeah? We double the consonant in the middle when it's a short vowel sound between two consonants. Third type, if it's a one or a 2-syllable adjective ending in consonant and y, like dry or healthy, okay, we take away the y and we give it an I, and then er, yeah? Dry, drier, healthy, healthier, happy, happier, yeah? It always follows this rule. Okay, here we have one of the complicated ones. So there are comparative adjectives that when they are 2 or more syllables, what we do is we just add more, yeah? We can't say famouser. We can't say expensiver, yeah? Those would be incorrect. It's famous, more famous. Expensive, more expensive, yeah? When we have these adjectives, what we do is we put a more in front. I can't say more famouser. That would be wrong, okay? And then the last type are irregular ones, and unfortunately the only way to learn these is by memory. So good, better, bad, worse, far, further, yeah, these ones don't follow any set rules. Here is a little table resuming what we have just learned, okay? I will leave you this in a PDF file so that you have it easily accessible and you can review, okay? Right, so this is the comparative. Old, older, big, bigger, dry, drier, famous, more famous, good, better. Those are the 5 types. There aren't any more types. These are the 5 types. So what happens with the superlative? So the superlative follows more or less the same way, okay? But because there is only one can be the most, we have to put the in front of it, yeah? It's the hottest month of the year. There are 12 months, but only one of them can be the hottest. That is why we put the. There is only one. The hottest month of the year. It's the most dangerous road in the world. She's the best student in the class. Monday is the worst day of the week. As you can see, it always accompanies a noun. Yeah, hottest with month. Month is a noun. Dangerous with road. It's a noun. Student, noun, and the worst day, again the noun. Yeah. What rules do they follow? Well, these follow the same rules as before. Yeah, we have 5 types: old, older, oldest. Instead of er, we add est. For the second type, big, bigger. Remember, we doubled the consonant in the middle. Is the same. Yeah, the biggest. We double the consonant in the middle. Dry, drier, driest. It's still est, but we take away the y and give it an I. The fourth type, famous, more famous, the most famous. Yeah, we just change more for most, and then we have the superlative. And finally, the irregular, good, better, the best, bad, worse, the worst, far, further, the furthest. These are simply irregular. You just have to learn these ones, okay? But the rest do follow some rules that you can learn, and that way we won't make mistakes. Just one last thing before I go. Be careful, because with the superlatives, we use in, not of, with places, yeah? So it's the best Japanese restaurant in the world. I can't say the best Japanese restaurant of the world. That would be wrong, yeah? The bravest girl in the class. The deadliest snake in the desert, not of, okay? And I think that's everything. If you have any questions, send me an email, leave me a comment, and I'll see if I can help you with it, okay? Thank you for listening to me, and goodbye.